Morning, people. I hope you are enjoying this magnificent, beautiful day. I'm here to introduce you to a Liorque digital kitchen timer. I have used it and it works for me. Purchase it, use it, it will make your life easier. Let me open it and show you how it looks like. Oops, that's the battery. This is how it looks like. It's a small Liorque digital kitchen timer, and it comes with a battery as well. Trust me, you're going to like it. So I want you to purchase this Liorque digital kitchen timer. It's going to make your life easier, trust me. Also, I will leave the link on the description box so you can get some discount when you purchase it. Purchase it and thank me later. Don't forget Liorque digital kitchen timer. It will make your life easier. It's not big, it's very tiny. Digital kitchen timer. Digital kitchen timer.